I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Samsung Notes. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for managing notes, tasks, and complex projects across various platforms. It offers unparalleled customization, allowing you to build systems tailored to your exact needs. In contrast, Samsung Notes is a dedicated note-taking application, specifically optimized for Samsung devices, excelling in handwritten input and PDF annotation. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to choosing the right tool for your productivity. Notion truly shines with its powerful features, offering a highly customizable workspace built on a block-based system. You can effortlessly create interconnected databases for tasks, projects, and knowledge bases, transforming how you organize information. It supports real-time collaboration, making it ideal for teams, and integrates with hundreds of other applications to extend its capabilities. This flexibility allows users to design a personalized productivity hub, from simple notes to intricate project dashboards. Samsung Notes offers distinct advantages, especially for users within the Samsung ecosystem. Its superior integration with the S Pen provides an exceptional experience for handwritten notes, drawing, and sketching with various brush types and colors. You can directly annotate PDF documents and images, making it perfect for reviewing and marking up files. The application ensures seamless synchronization across your Samsung devices, guaranteeing your notes are always accessible and up-to-date, wherever you are. Deciding between Notion and Samsung Notes depends entirely on your specific needs. Choose Notion if you require a comprehensive solution for project management, team collaboration, and extensive database functionalities across multiple platforms. However, if your primary focus is on handwritten notes, drawing, and PDF markup, particularly on a Samsung device with an S Pen, then Samsung Notes is the superior choice. Both tools offer unique strengths, catering to different productivity styles and workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.